To achieve these wonderful hair results, you need to watch this video.
I'm going to do 2 avocados, a very ripe banana, and
Eggs.
2 with adding aloe vera from my aloe vera plant. These are all the items I'm going to use in my wonderful DIY today.
You want fast hair growth? You want your hair to be shiny and silky? You want less frizz? You want your hair to be easy to manage? You want your hair just to look fabulous and your curls just to be so defined? You want minimum shedding? Do this DIY. At least try it. This right here is one of my favorite DIYs. I'm so happy and grateful to get this blender gifted to me. It just makes it so creamy, so nice. That's why I put the whole aloe vera plant in there. I didn't have to scoop it out or anything. Just
right, like, another amazing DIY, you guys. This one smells so good because it has banana in it. So as you see, my hair really needs this DIY, so let's just put this in. I just want to show you how rich and creamy it is. It is so good to put in a blender. It saves so much time, you guys. Look at that. It's so nice and creamy, just like a conditioner. So let's get to it. Get those edges first. I'm gonna apply all of this on the hair. Ooh, yes. My hair is dirty. I usually rinse it out or wash it before I do DIYs, but this DIY, I think I should have no problem. It blended very well in my blender. No more cutting it up and trying to smash it and stuff. It's time to get a blender and just put it in there just like conditioner. I'm doing the parts of my hair that's damaged the most. That would be the ends. I applied the DIY on the hair that is damaged the most. So that's my ends and my edges. So there we go. Just gonna put a good chunk on there and get to these edges. If anybody ever had a perm before, you're gonna apply this DIY like a perm. You're gonna put it in parts and sections and make for sure you don't miss nothing. And no, I don't have a perm, y'all. I'm all natural right now. So my hair is a little stretched out because I've been rocking a bun. It's a great protected hairstyle as well.
It's definitely edible, but I don't advise you to eat it because of the raw egg. Okay, perfect. I'm just showing you how I apply it through my hair evenly all the way through the ends. All right, perfect. Now that I applied it evenly throughout my hair, I am twisting it in a nice tight bun. I'm going to put a plastic bag. You can put a shower cap or whatever you prefer.
My friend just said I look astoundingly beautiful with this DIY in my hair. She can already see the transformation. I just went down there to get a plastic bag. Isn't that crazy? I do feel fabulous myself. So I'm gonna try my best to leave this in there for at least an hour because I feel like this is a DIY that was really needed. But this is gonna do it. All right, I had it on there for an hour. Let's take this off and rinse this wonderful DIY out my hair, y'all, and see what it do. Still very moist. Oh yes. Oh goodness. Wow.
Shea Moisture shampoo, y'all. It just doesn't dry out my hair. That's what I'm going to use to clean that scalp. Kinky curly knots today, leave-in conditioner. It gives my hair that slip so it's easy to detangle, and I love that it's a leave-in conditioner and it leaves no flakes, no dandruff in your hair if you apply gel. These are the pictures after I washed and rinsed my hair. This is actually after my hair got fully dry. It just feels so soft and healthy. Don't forget, you guys, to hit that subscribe button right there and give this video a thumbs up. Why not? Watch more of my videos. Thanks.